Can we see other viewers on Facebook story? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can see other viewers on our Facebook story. Now what I mean by other viewers is that whenever you post a story on your Facebook and your Facebook story is public. So if you head over to your story and on the top left, you will see an icon. Tap on it and you will see that who can see your story. Now, whenever this is set to public, anyone can see your story. That is anyone on Facebook and anyone on Messenger. So sometimes when there are a lot of views, there will be other viewers. So people instead of your friends will be able to view your stories and those will be labeled other viewers. Now, if you want to know if those other viewers have viewed your story, you can simply head over to your story and check that out. But sometimes you cannot get the full list. Now, if you want to find out who they are, you'll simply need to head over to your menu, head over to your settings, and there are a lot of videos that promise you this way you will be able to see the other viewers, but let's find that out. Now, scroll down on your settings and privacy, and there you should see stories. Head over there, and there you will find who can see your stories. Tap there and you will see the custom option. Now sometimes this custom option is also labeled as specific people. So when you tap on it, you will get custom friends. Now whenever you see this, people say that this is the other viewers from your story, but that's just a myth and they are just trying to fool you guys. So yeah, there is no actual way you can see the other viewers on your Facebook story. All you can do is you can just make your stories friends only or friends accept. Just make a custom list of people that you want to view your stories and make sure that it is not on public. And if it is not on public, you can see the full list of viewers on your Facebook story. And yeah, that is all for the video, guys. I hope this video answered your question if you can see other viewers on your Facebook story. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.